Social media recently erupted with conversation after a clip from the newly released Tu Meri Main Tera Tu Meri went viral, featuring Kartik Aaryan dancing to the iconic track Sajan Ji Ghar Aaye from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. The moment triggered widespread discussion and some criticism given the song's deep nostalgic value for 90s audiences. Many fans continue to vividly recall Salman Khan's unforgettable entry in a black suit, a moment that has since become iconic. Even today, no wedding celebration feels complete without the song. Recently, filmmaker Karan Johar shared a behind-the-scenes anecdote revealing that he was moved to tears on set after Salman was initially hesitant to wear what would go on to become the now legendary black suit. Karan recalled, "It was my first time working with Salman Khan, so I was I was quite wound up because he was such a big star. It was his first day on set and I walked into his van. He was in a t-shirt and jeans. I said, 'Salman, you know it's a big set.' And he said, 'Yes, but if for the first time a groom comes in jeans and a t-shirt, it will be a new style. I'll bring the swag.' I got so hyped. I said, 'But the set is so ornate. Kajal has such an intricate lehenga.' He further recounted how he became increasingly nervous. I thought, if he comes in jeans and a t-shirt, what will happen? But he reassured me, 'I'll pull it off.' I got so stressed that I started crying in front of him. He looked so nervous seeing me crying in his vanity van, and finally he agreed, 'No, I'll wear the suit.' And then we shot my first ever Sangeet song sequence. Karan Johar had earlier spoken about the effort it took to convince Salman Khan to come on board, particularly after actors such as Chandrachud Singh and Saif Ali Khan had turned down the role of Aman Mehra. Recalling the face, Karan said he was deeply disheartened after the rejections. He shared that during a party at Chunky Pandey's house, Salman approached him and mentioned hearing about his shopping, adding that one needed a great deal of confidence to take on the part of Aman. Salman then asked him to come and narrate the story the very next day. The film eventually went on to become one of the biggest hits of its time.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic screen magazine. It is I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that, he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipat!
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है।
गीत एंड आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना? आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे?
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as more of a glamorous role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing. You guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.